Case number Regional Board 446 of 2020, State versus Julius Malema and Adriaan Snyman. The date is the 3rd of February 2023. The parties are the same as before. Advocate J. Caesar appearing on behalf of the state. Advocate L. Holmes on behalf of accused number 1 and Advocate Matthews on behalf of accused number 2. Your Worship, the state is ready to proceed.
Thank you. On the record, that's the order. Ready to proceed?
You are ready.
We are ready.
Thank you, Advocate Matthews. Just waiting for the judge. Thank you. You may proceed, Advocate Caesar.
Usually state call in Nkosiko Vincent Nzuku. The witness is A7. Statement is A7 in the case docket. Bishop, just in respect of this witness, only video, no or only audio, sorry, no video.
Yeah, you very first.
Kosiko, Vincent,
Kosiko Vincent Zubayosha. Kosiko Vincent Zuku.
Do you have any objection in taking the case card out?
Ngaba bepheka zokuchasene ngokufunga.
Andichazelanga.
No objection, Your Worship.
You may swear that the evidence you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
ngoke uyafunga kungena uzakunikezela kwaphambi kwale nkundla inyaniso yodwa hayi enye into ngaphandle kwenyaniso bangabana kunjalo uphakamisa isandla sakho sesekalikule ngokusithetha inyaniso.
Enkosi ithethe inyaniso.
Thank you. Thank you, Advocate Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Mzuko. On the 1st of August 2018, you were a captain in the South African Police Service, stationed in Lansane, East London, as a cluster communication officer. Is that correct?
Ingaba umhlekazi kunjalo ke umhlekazi umzukulu bana ngomhla we-1st zika-Agasti unyaka ka-2018 wayekapteni sasitishi samapolisa sayana edantsane kwi-cluster communication.
Kunjalo mina.
That is indeed correct.
How long have you been in the South African Police Service?
Unexesha ke ngoku elingakanani ukwecandelo lamapolisa lapolisa?
18 years.
18 years.
Your current rank, what is it now?
Ngoku kwesiphi star?
Lieutenant Colonel.
Lieutenant Colonel.
How long have you been a communication officer in the SABC?
Unexesha elingakanani ke ngoku kwi-office communication kwicandelo lalapho amapolisa eMzantsi?
15 years.
15 years.
What does that work entail?
Lo msebenzi lowo umhlekazi ingaba uquka ukwenza ntoni?
To monitor okwenzeka kwi-media and answer inquiries from media houses as journalists.
To monitor whatever is in the media.
Say it in English, I don't know what to
I think you only mentioned the word monitor in English, but I'm very wrong. That's okay.
Uyebo swabiza elagama lothi monitor biza ngesingisi lona ingaba kunjalo?
Kunjalo.
That is correct, Your Worship.
Is your use of case identified in this case?
Ingaba umhlekazi wakhetha ukunikezela ngesixhosa.
Ukunikezela ngesixhosa kodwa ke kubalulekile. Amanye amagama azibanzile ngesixhoseni basebenzise. Ithi kodwa ndivumela ngisebenzisela imivumelo.
Your Worship, I need to give my evidence in Xhosa. However, there are certain terms which would be difficult for me to say it in Xhosa. Therefore, if the court permits me to say those words in English, then it will be fine. I don't like it anymore.
So can you just repeat in the monitoring of media and continue from there, please?
Ethi kwinkundla kaphinde ke ngoku laa mpendulo yakho into yobana iquka ke ngoku ujonga into eyenzeka kwimidiya nothini
Nokuphendula i-inquiries ezisuka kwi-media houses ezizane-journalists.
and to also answer to inquiries that comes from the media houses, Your Worship, from the journalists.
Lieutenant Colonel Zuko, I just have a request that you don't need to speak into the mic, but we'd like you to speak up, please, so everybody can hear you. Is that fine?
Cela kwemhlekazi into yobana ungagobuzi apha kuna kodwa uthethele phezulu ukuba ngoku kufuneke
Were you on duty on the 1st of August 2018?
ngomhla we-1st zika-Agasti unyaka ka-2018 waphangela.
Kunjalo.
That's correct, Your Worship.
What happened while you were on duty on the 1st of August?
Ngeli xesha ke ngokuphangeleyo nge-1st zika-Agasti kwenzeka ntoni?
Ndafumana i-video from uCaptain Governor osebenza e-media center e-provincial office.
I received a video, Your Worship, from Captain Governor, who works at Media Center Provincial Office,
Osebenza e-media center.
where he was telling me that he was going to be able to do that.
Osebenza e-media center.
He was telling me that he was going to be able to do that.
Lieutenant Colonel Zuko, I just have a request that you don't need to speak into the mic, but we'd like you to speak up, please, so everybody can hear you. Is that fine?
That's correct, Your Worship.
if you're referring to provincial office, you're speaking about your office here situated in Zwelicha, is that correct?
Awuthatha ke ngoku provincial office. Uthatha ngale office yenu ke ngoku lapha eZwelitsha.
Njalo ngenene Your Worship.
That is indeed correct.
Yes, proceed, sir.
Bheke
Le video yayitrenda social media, i-inquiry ivela ibuza okokubana ngenene kwakune-event elolu hlobo neliyenzekile eMdantsane.
So this video, Your Worship, was trending on social media, and the inquiry was with regards to if was there indeed an event of this nature in Mdantsane.
Ngenene ndavuma into okokubana kunjalo kwakhona i-event lolu hlobo eMdantsane.
I then confirmed, Your Worship, yes, that yes, there was an event of this nature in Mdantsane.
Le video yayidepicta uMr. Malema kunye noMr. Snyman. uMr. Malema kule video wayedubula ngombu phezulu.
This video, Your Worship, depicted Mr. Malema as well as Mr. Snyman, and in this video, Mr. Malema was shooting a firearm on both.
Yes, what else?
And then kule video lead, Mr. Malema wayenda over i-firearm uMr. Snyman yaphela.
And in this same video, Mr. Malema handed over the firearm to Mr. Snyman, and that's where the video ended. In this video, Your Worship, Mr. Malema handed over the firearm to Mr. Snyman, and that is where the video stopped, or rather ended.
If you say that you received this video, what do you mean by that?
Xa usithi wena wafumana le video, uthetha ukuthini?
I-video ithunyelwe uCaptain Gavenda efowunini yestate.
The video was sent to me by Captain Governor via the state's cell phone.
I understand your evidence correctly that he sent it from his phone to your phone.
Ukuba ngabana ndikuva kakuhle, yena uyisende ngefowuni yakhe ethumela kweyakho ifowuni.
Njalo kanye Your Worship.
That is indeed correct, Your Worship.
You said it was trending on social media. What do you mean by that?
Uthi yayigcwele phayana kwi-social media, uthetha uthini?
Yayibonakala ku-social media, especially ngibona ku-WhatsApp itrenda kakhulu.
It was trending on social media, Your Worship. I saw it on WhatsApp where it was trending a lot on WhatsApp.
Now you're receiving this video, you're looking at it, what happens now?
Fumana le video level uyijonge yenzeka ntoni ke?
Kwizinto uCaptain Gavena awayefuna ukuziqonda seniyicacisele ke yokuqala mselile ibhalwe phansi. Eyesibini awayendike umyalelo wayo bring it to the attention of the station commander.
The things that Captain Governor was inquiring about, I think the first one I had already explained, and the second instruction which I received from him was that I should bring it to the attention of the station commander.
Yes, Tajuke, Diane days ago, Colonel SWAT boy, on detective head was in Tanzania.
Thirdly, I gave it to Colonel SWAT boy, who is the detective head in Tanzania.
If you say you gave it to him, did you give him your phone where the video was on? Or what do you mean if you say you gave it to Colonel Swatman?
I'll say to why I need our Colonel SWAT boy. I'm why I need the phone here. Yeah, okay.
Like forward, who you can
I forwarded it via my phone to his phone.
Were you doing that also via WhatsApp?
Naleyo kuyenza kwa WhatsApp.
Jalo, you wish.
That is correct.
Did you report to the station commander?
Ngaba ke ubikile phambi station command.
Nene denza njalo, you wish.
Indeed, that is what I did.
Who was the station commander at the time that you reported it to?
Ngela xesha yayingubani station commander lo wayewayebika.
And Brigadier Mkopo, you wish.
It was Brigadier Mkopo Yosh.
What exactly did you report to Brigadier Mkopo?
Ntoni kanye kanye kwawayewayibika pha uBrigadier Mkopo.
Could I just ask him to spell that name for me?
MK?
M-I-S-N-A-K-O-P-L, so it's M.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Question was, what did you report to him?
Phela umbuzo usithi ntoni awayibikayo pha.
Ezi zinto bese ndizichazile ngokulandelelana kwazo ndazibeka njengoko zinjalo you wish.
The things that I have just mentioned, Your Worship, in their sequence, that is what I had relayed to Mr. Mkopo in their sequence.
Did you also show him the video or also gave him a copy or forward this particular video to him?
Ngaba lo yena wambonisa le video okanye wamthumela ikopi okanye wayithumela ngephoto.
sange nimthumelele yoshe ndambonisa.
I did not forward it to him, Your Worship. I showed.
What did he do once you showed him the video?
Why wenza ntoni yena emveni uba umbonisile ividiyo le?
Njenge-management bakwadla bahlala phansi badecide ukubana makuvulwe i-enquiry ngale nyewe.
As the management, Your Worship, they sat down and discussed and said that an inquiry should be held with regards to this incident.
What is an inquiry? What does that entail?
Le nto kaMhlekazi uthetha ngayo sithi yi-inquiry. Yintoni into yi-inquiry? Wenzeka ntoni? Kuquka kuthini?
Inquiry iye ivulwe xa ngabe kukhona mhlawumbi loo nto iliqweqiweyo imalunga nokukrokreleka kokuphuleka komthetho.
Your Worship, an inquiry is held when something that entails breaking the law has been done.
Is a case docket being opened during an inquiry?
Ingaba ke ngoku xa kubanjwe loo ngxelo leyo kuye kuvulwe idocket?
Ngenene liye livulwe ngoba ke iba nayo i-case number.
Yes, Your Worship, indeed a docket gets to be opened because it also has a case number.
In this particular matter, it was in Gansana case 6 of 8 of 2018, is that correct?
Kweli ke ngoku ityala yayi-case number yasemdantsane u-6 of 8 18 ngalo kunjani?
Ngenene kunjalo, Your Worship.
Indeed, that is correct, Your Worship.
Now, when you were asked by Captain Governor about this specific event, did you have any personal knowledge about the event that occurred on the 28th of July 2018 of the EFF's 5th birthday celebration?
Ingaba ke ngoku wena ngexesha ke ngoku kwale video lena wena ngokunokwakho ubunalo na ulwazi ngokunokwakho malungana le nto ithe yabanjwa ngomhla we-28 kaJulayi kunyaka ka-2018 ngela xesha ke ngoku umbutho ezoselebhreyitha le birthday yayo yesihlanu nyaka wesihlanu?
Kunjalo ngenene, Your Worship.
Indeed, Your Worship.
How did you know about it?
Uyazi njani?
Angibonile TV, Your Worship.
I saw it on TV.
I'm going to show you a video. Lieutenant Colonel, just want you to view the video and then I'll ask you questions once you view the video. If that's okay with you. I'll also ask you, because of the location of the television set, if you don't mind getting out of the witness box and staying in a position where you can actually look at the tape. Yeah. third clip.
Ndizakubonisa ke mhlekazi ividiyo le endizawuthi ndikubuze imibuzo ngayo kodwa ke ndizawucela into yobana kule ndawo ufunde kuyo uzuphume uyoma kwindawo ozawuthi uyibone kakuhle laa vidiyo yesithathu.
Yes, at any space where you can stand, where you can see the television from the front. Yes. Any place where you are comfortable to do that. So you stand in front of it.
Emakhaya ke mhlekazi apho uzawukwazi ubona khona.
You stand 20 minutes.
That is indeed correct.
Do you confirm that that is indeed the video you are referring to that you received from the Captain Governor?
Ingaba umhlekazi uyalina usithi yiyo le video wayifumana ku-Captain Governor.
Njalo ngenene your worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
That firearm that you saw in that particular video, would you be able to say what type of firearm that is?
Lambu ubonayo phakula video. Ingaba mhlawumbe ungakwazi ukutsho uba ngumpuni.
Onakala njenge-rifle, your worship.
It looks like a rifle.
Lastly, can you confirm that the person to whom you handed the video to, Colonel Swartboy, is indeed the investigating officer in this matter?
Kwaye ke okugqibela lomhlekazi ungangena uqinisekise into yobana lo mntu wena wamnikayo ividiyo kunjalo ke into yobana uSwart.
Njalo, your worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
Thank you. You still got no further questions for the witness.
Section on waiver of facts. I am sure you are familiar with the process of cross-examination.
Uba ke ulilungu lamapolisa lapha eMzantsi ndiyayiqonda into yobana uyayiqonda mos inkqubo yokuhlohla kwemihlatho yemibuzo.
Ngenene kunjalo, your worship.
That is indeed correct, Your Worship.
Thank you.
Mr. in this evening test, the accused wants to tell me something. My approach.
Yes.
you have the telephone that you had at the time?
Kenneth, la phone wawunayo ngela xesha ingaba unayo? Kenneth,
Andinayo ngoba ndisasebenza phaa.
I no longer have it now, Your Worship, as I no longer work there.
So you are referring to a video that you received in 2018 on a phone that you no longer have, is that correct?
Ngoko ke wena ndimhlekazi uthetha ngevidiyo owayifumana ngonyaka ka-2018 kwi-cellphone ongasenayo.
Njalo Your Worship, andifoni khona eTanzania.
That is correct, Your Worship. However, the cell phone is in Tanzania.
Additionally, Colonel, that's the same telephone that you used to send the video clip to the investigating officers, is that correct?
Kwaye mhlekazi, la cell phone le bayisebenzisayo ukuthumela le video clip ngaba kunjani?
Njalo kanye Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
You don't have that phone, you believe it's in Tanzania because you've now left the police force, is that correct?
Wena ke ngoku akusenayo la phone, kholelwa into yobana isemtanzania, sathi uba ungabisenayo la phone kuba akusekho wena phaa kwelacaleni ngaba kunjani?
Before the witness answer, I think the question was he left the police force, and that is not correct. He's still a lieutenant colonel in the police force. I think you must just fix that.
I'm sure, yes, I'm sure
I'm sure the witness can
the witness will answer and clarify the statement of the affidavit.
Masilungise nje leminye ibuzwa ngumhlonishwa yokokubana ngishiyile inkonzo yamapolisa. Ndisesenkonzweni yamapolisa. Nto nje andiphangeli eMtanzania, ndiphangele ePretoria. Ifowuni yona iseMtanzania, ndenzeki ngafumaneka nakumzuzu.
Well, Your Worship, I just want us to fix one little aspect. That the defense has just said that I've left the SAPS. I am still within the Department of SAPS. However, I'm now based in Pretoria and no longer in Tanzania. As for the cell phone, the cell phone is in Tanzania and they can even get it now, I'm sure.
Now, what I want to ask you further, Colonel, is you don't know who filmed the footage on that video of recruitment.
Wena ke mhlekazi awuyazi uba ngubani owafota la video footage.
Andimazi nje.
I don't know.
Social media.
Because it was trending on social media.
You yourself never attended the EFF's first birthday bash recruitment.
Wena kuqubakho awuzange uye ube inxalenye uye wathenda la birthday yeminyaka emihlanu yombutho we-EFF.
Njalo
That is correct.
At the time, being the 28th of July 2018, you were the communication officer at the SABC covering the area of Mdantsane, do you agree with me?
Kwaye ngaba uyavumelana nami mhlekazi into yobana wena ngala mhla weza-28 kaJulayi unyaka ka-2018 wena wayi-communications officer eyayikhabrishana nguye Mdantsane ngela xesha ngaba kunjani? Would you please repeat the date?
28th July 2018.
28 July 2018.
kubungele ngithanda nje ukuthi ngihlange receive ivideo first kunyaka le-8 2018 nabo kungqondo.
The evidence that I gave before court, Your Worship, was that I was on duty on the 1st of August 2018 when I was handed over the video.
I'm aware of your evidence, sir. My question remains the same. You were the communication officer for Mdantsane on 28th July 2018. Do you confirm that, sir?
Hlekazi ngiyaqonda ukuthi wabikezela apha kule nkundla. Umbuzo usembi lo wakho ingaba ngalamhla we-28 zikaJulayi 2018 wena wawuyi-communications officer ekhabathala ngingqi yasemdantsane ngela xesha.
Njalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
And you watched the birthday celebration on television. You told the court. You remember that?
Kwaye wena laa mbhiyozo ubukele eTV uyakhumbula mos uye wayixelela inkundla loo nto.
Njalo, Your Worship.
That's correct.
From the 28th of July 2018 until you received this query, you, of your own accord, did not take any action concerning this event. Do you agree with me?
Kwaye ndindlekazi ingaba uyangqinelana nam usukela ngalamhla we-28 zikaJulayi uyofika lamhla ke ngoku wena ufumana ke ngoku le ngxelo yale query lena awuzange uthathe manyathelo ngalaa nto kwade kwazofika lo mhla uzonikwa le query. Uyangqinelana nam?
Iquery ingene nge-first eneneni ndathatha amanyathelo ngokubuzwa nguye-inquiry from the first.
The query was received on the 1st. I only took further steps after I had received the query on the 1st.
In other words, you're agreeing with me, sir, that from 28th July 2018 and until the query on 1 August 2018, you took no action of your own accord. Do you agree with me?
That's uyavumelana nam okanye uyavumelana nam. Akho manyathelo wawuthathayo usukela kumhla we-28 zikaJulayi uyothi kangalamhla phambi kokuba kube kanti kufika le query kuwo awekho amanyathelo wawathathayo. Uyavumelana nam?
Njalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
And it's clear, as in the words of the worship, an objective fact, that the first inquiry or report of the matter occurred in August 2018, as we have the CAS reference being 06/08/2018. Do you agree with me, sir?
Kwaye ndlekazi ngaba uyavumelana nam ke ngoku into yokubana uqale into yobana kubekho ke ngoku abanye okanye kubekho le query lena ngenyanga ka-August 2018 ngexesha ke ngoku kukhona case number ka-06/08/2018.
Njalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
So one can infer, and it's logical, that you're not the only police officer that watched this and took no action until August 2018, because the CAS reference only occurs in August of 2018. Do you agree with me, sir?
Ngoko ke umuntu ke wangatsho ke mhlekazi into yobana ingezolo wedwa ipolisi ebenyukele laa nto kumabonakude usukela ngoko mhla isenzeka phambi kokuba kube kanti kukho laa case number. Alikho ipolisi eye lathatha amanyathelo phambi kokuba kube kanti kubakho le case number. Uyavumelana nam? If the court permits me, Your Worship, may I just clarify something with regards to this question?
I don't know what it is, Your Worship.
I also don't know. So we can listen and then see if there's anything inappropriate what is required.
Why don't you answer the question first and then come to your query, sir?
Yintoni ke bandle bahlekazi ungaphenduli lo mbuzo uqala uphinde okubuye uzocacisa?
Ngoba ndisithi question uzwayo uzokwazi ukuphendula.
Because I see clarity, Your Worship, on the question that I was asked, so that I can be in a position to answer properly.
Let's hear what you need, and we'll consider it.
Sorry?
Let's hear what you need, and then we'll consider it.
Masive ke mhlekazi into leyo uyifunayo.
Umhlonishwa xa esithi zange ndithathe inxaxheba ngale bhili uthetha ukuthini uthetha because udibanisa ndicinga phambi ngendibuza ngomsebenzi wam line of duty yam as a communication officer because uquka namanye amapolisa in general usho amanye amapolisa enze umsebenzi wam.
When the defense is saying, Your Worship, that I did not take any steps with regards to this video, and I was under the impression that the defense is going to ask me questions with regards to my line of duty, not other police officials in general.
So you don't need any clarification from me. I put to you an objective fact that no complaint was received during the month of July. Do you agree with me?
Khange kubekho manyathelo athe athathwa ngalanyanga kaJuly 2018. Uyavumelana na?
Nene amanyathelo wathathe ongena inquiry the first inyanga ye-8 ngokomsebenzi wam endenza as a communication officer.
Indeed, Your Worship. I only took steps when I received the inquiry on the 1st of August, Your Worship, with regard to my line of duty as the communications officer.
But you're not answering the question, so it's clear that nobody else took any action during the month of July. Do you agree with me?
Kodwa ke mhlekazi awuphenduli umbuzo. Ndithi kucacile into yobana akekho omnye umuntu ongomnye oye wathatha amanyathelo kulaa nyanga kaJuly.
Uba inkundla ezakuvumela ukuthi ngicela ukuphendula imibuzo eyiline nomsebenzi wam as a communication officer. Ngicela sisitike kuyo. Eyobam uba benzani kwathini assume into yokubana bayibukele lento ezindabeni ndibe ndingabazi abayibukelela njengoba besisho phambili then ungayingeni. Ngicela nje sisitike kule line yam nomsebenzi wam as a communication officer. Nento efuneka iphendulwe ndini as a communication officer.
Your Worship, if the court is going to permit me or other information to only answer to questions with regards to my line of duty as the communications officer, and not to answer for my colleagues and assume whether indeed they did watch the event on TV.
No, sir. Sorry, the question is very clear. Up until 1 August, there was no entry at Adriaan Snyman regarding any incident in July up until 1 August. You agree with that? Is that what you want?
Thank you, Your Worship.
And umbuzo kaloku uthi ngalanyanga kaJuly 2008 phambi koba kufike namhla wokuqala ku-August akukhange kubekho into okanye into ethe yabhalwa ezincwadini zaphayana edantsane esitishini samapolisa.
Andiyazi.
I do not know.
Please, Colonel, you're an experienced police officer. The CIS is 06/08/2018. I put it to you, it's impossible that the docket was opened in the month of July 2018. Any comments?
Ulipolisa kaloku wena elinamava nje ndithi mna kuwe i-case number lena 806/08/2018. Loo nto ithetha into yobana docket eli livulwe emveni kwenyanga. Ingaba kunjani?
Ndicela uphinde ndiyiphakamise into ethi umbuzo bendimbuziwe ubuziwe into yokubana akho nto elibhaliwe kwiincwadi zamapolisa, of which mna ndicela ndiphendula kule ndawo ithi ngenene nangenyaniso inquiry ingenile kum as a communication officer the first of the 8 month ndayiphendula. Enye nenye yeencwadi zamapolisa wakubhalwe ntoni kwathiwa andiyazi.
Your Worship, I'm once again going to say this, Your Worship. It was asked for me whether was there an entry written at the police station, Your Worship. What I am saying is that I only received an inquiry on the 1st of the 8th month. Therefore, I would not know with regards to whether was there anything or was ever an entry in the police officers' books.
Clearly, I will not answer the question, sir. I'll leave it for argument. I'm not going to pursue it further. What I want to put to you, sir, is that if you watched it on TV, you would have seen that there are actual police officers on the stage at the event from the VIP Protection Services. Do you have any comments, sir?
Njalo kaMhlekazi ngoba ufuna ukuphendula nombuzo zawuyekela swaka. Ngoko ke ufuna ukuthi ke Mhlekazi phayana kulaa vidiyo bubukelisweyo. Phayana kwa stage kunamapolisa apha kwi-VIP protection. Uyabona Mhlekazi?
Andinawukunika because thank you.
I would not confirm that, Your Worship, because I did not see.
Now, did you play any further role in the investigation of this matter?
Ngoko leyo into ke wakhondima ke enothi idlala ezawudlulela uphando lamapolisa kwethu. Would you please repeat the question?
Yes, did you play any further role in the investigation of this matter?
Ingaba wena khona ke indima edluleleyo othe wayidlala ke uphando lamapolisa kwethu?
Ngoba the communication officer kuphela.
Not at all, Your Worship, because I'm only a communications officer, but that's all, not an investigating officer.
When you say not at all, you create the impression before this court that you're absolutely certain it's a definitive answer. Do you agree with me?
Why awusithi tu kwaphela ke ngoku apha kule nkundla ke ngoku unika ukhomandela into yobana uqisekile ngaba kunjani?
Ngenene kunjalo, Your Worship.
Indeed, there is so.
So there's no doubt in your mind that all you did was you received this video and you forwarded and followed up with the investigating officer and the commanding officers of the
Kwaye ke wena ke mhlekazi ke ngoku wakumathala kwezinto yobana wena ufumane le video wayithumela ke ngoku kumcuphi wetyala nakukhomanda lo kunjani ngaba kunjani?
Ngenene, Your Worship, njengoba bendichaza ngakho.
Indeed, Your Worship, as I explained earlier.
And once again, you're absolutely certain of this.
Kwaye ke uqinisekile.
Ngenene, Your Worship.
Indeed.
So the sum total of your testimony, as we've seen now in Chief, relates exclusively to this video that you received, that you've explained, and that you passed on. Is that correct?
Ngoko ke ngokuqhubela oba kungoze nabapha phambi kwale nkundla kumayelana nale video lena sithe sayibukela apha le wena wayifumanayo waze wayicacisa kanjani.
Ngenene kunjalo, Your Worship.
Indeed, that is correct.
Now, being an experienced police officer, you made statements relating to this matter. Do you agree with me?
Nje ke polisa ke namava uye wenza istatement malungana nale ngaba kunjani?
Ngenene, Your Worship.
Indeed.
And you knew the importance of telling the truth in your statements because of your experience as a police officer. Is that correct?
Kwaye ke abe uyazi into yokuthetha inyani ke ngoku kwi-statements zakho njengepolisa nje ngaba kunjani?
Njalo ngenene, Your Worship.
Indeed, Your Worship, that's correct.
I want to hand to you, and Worship, we have copies for Worship as well, a copy of your statement that's marked as A7 in the docket for you to confirm that this is in fact your statement.
Ufuna ke ngokuhlekaza ukunika istatement eso apho uzongqina khona into yobana ingaba nyani nasiso esi statement sakho.
Do you confirm that this is your statement, sir? It is your signature on the last page. You didn't initial, you might have initial the first page, it's all right here.
Ngaba ke mhlekazi uyanqina into yobana esi statement sakho kwaye signature yakho le phepha lokugqibela kuso.
Inkundla iyandivumela ndisifunde khona ukuze ndizokwazi ukunqina uzizwana nemali eshekileyo. Ngiyabulele.
If the court permits me to read through it, Your Worship, before I can be able to confirm whether indeed it is.
Please read it, sir. I thought you had an anticipation of testifying.
Enkosi, Your Worship, ngenene esi statement sami nasignature.
Yes, Your Worship, this is my statement as well as my signature that is appended.
Did you make any other statements relating to this matter?
Ngapha ke mhlekazi sikhona esinye istatement owasenzayo esimayelana netyala.
engasesi enensenzisa.
This is the only one which I did, Your Worship, and which was stated in the document.
So let's go through this one first. You identify yourself by your name and your rank and your contact number in paragraph 1. Do you confirm that, sir?
Phayana ke ngoku paragraph yokuqala uyazichaza wena kwakunye nenamba yakho naba kunjalo.
Ngenene kunjalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
You then undertake to tell the truth and that the contents of the affidavit in your personal knowledge and belief, unless the context indicates the contrary, in paragraph 2. Do you confirm that, sir?
Kwaye ke kule ngayibhaka ngesibini wena uyalona phayana into yobana uzothetha inyani kwakokuthe kwaqulathwa kwesibhedlela sakungaba kunjalo.
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
Paragraph 3 is important to say the following. In 2018-08-01, I received a video clipping to my official handset depicting an individual firing shots from a firearm and later handing the alleged firearm back to another individual during the 5th EFF celebrations held at Sisa Dukashi Stadium in Dantani, East London, Eastern Cape on 2018-07-28 from Captain Marley, Governor of the SA Police Service, Provincial Head Office, Communication Office, Eastern Cape. Is that correct?
Paragraph yesithathu ke eyona ebalulekileyo uthi ke ngoku apha ngomhla ngoku wefesti zenyanga ye-8 nyaka 2018 waye wafumana ke ngoku i-video clip ethunyelwa ke ngoku kusekoyisebenzisa yomsebenzi ebonakalisa umntu edubula nesibhamu wathatha nesibhamu eso esinikela omnye umntu ongomnye ngexesha ke kukho lo bano be-EFF i-celebrate ke i-birthday yayo yesihlanu eyayipha esisa Dukashi kustadium saphayana eTanzania apha eMonti ngomhla we-28 zenyanga ye-7 nyaka 2018 uyifumana ke uCaptain Mali, Governor lapha kwicandelo lamapolisa lapha eMzantsi uProvincial Head Office Communications Office Eastern Cape.
Confirm that, sir?
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
Paragraph 4, you say I was requested to confirm if there was indeed an event held on the mentioned date and to bring it under the attention of the station commander, which I did. You confirm this, sir?
Paragraph ke ngoku yesine uthi wena waye wacela into yobana uvile into yoba ingaba nyhani ke ngoku ikhona le ndibano emuva unje okanye kumila kunje yayisenzeka ngalo mhla lokuthethwa ngawo into yobana wena iziswe phantsi ke ngoku uzise phantsi kolwazi ke lo station commander nto leyo ke ngoku wena wayenza.
Kunjalo, ngenene, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
Paragraph, well, there's no further paragraph. We then take the oath, confirming that you know and understand the contents of this declaration. You've no objection to taking the prescribed oath and consider to be binding on your conscience. Is that correct?
Kulapho ke ngoku kweli lokugqibela iphepha wena ufunga ke ngoku sijayazi into ekho yafulathwa kwebhalileyo awuchasenanga nothatha isifungo kwaye uyayazi isifungo kobophelela isazela sakho njalo.
Ngenene kunjalo.
That is correct.
And you'll see, sir, that your oath was taken on the 7th of August 2018 at 1500 hours 20. Do you confirm that?
Kwaye mhlekazi uzawubona wena into yobana isifungo esi wasithatha ngomhla we-7 mzalanyanga nyaka ka-2018 ngaba kunjalo.
Ngenene, Your Worship.
Do you confirm that you made this statement freely and voluntarily without anybody exercising any undue influence over you, and that you and your sound and sober senses at the time?
Kwaye ke mhlekazi ngapha uyangqina i-statement esi wasenza ngokwakho na wena ungakhange kubekho umntu othe wakubeka phantsi kwengcinezelo okanye wakunyanzelekisa into yobana wenze i-statement usenza ungekho phantsi kwampembelezo zazidudubalisa imsiba ngaba kunjalo.
Ngenene, Your Worship.
Indeed, Your Worship.
And do you see, sir, you took your oath?
Sorry?
Did you see who took your oath, sir?
Ingaba umuntu wathatha isifungo sakho wambona na? Yes.
Colonel Swartboy, did you confirm it?
Uyangqina into yobana nguColonel Swartboy.
Enene yosho.
Ndiyo.
Yet, in your statement, you never mentioned, and I made an inquiry with the investigating officer, Colonel Swartboy, and I sent the footage to him. It's missing, do you agree with me?
Ngoku ingaba uyavumelana nami into yobana kwasi-statement sakho awutsho into yobana uye wenza inquiry nomphandi okanye umquphi lo wetyala uColonel Swartboy waze naye ke ngoku wamnika ke ngaba kunjani?
Ngicela nje clarity kubuza ukubana angikhange
Roshan, before I answer, just seek some clarity when you asked that I did not mention that in my statement that the inquiry with the investigating officer, what does he mean by that?
Well, it's a straightforward question. Let's see what clarity you need, sir.
Lo mbuzo ucacile mhlekazi lokhu ucacile ufuna.
Ngisho akubuza kubalekile ngoku nasemfundo. Ngakho because ubuza lo nami ubuza naye ngeke kube kungena.
Unfortunately, Your Worship, he's asking the question from me, therefore it has to be clearer for me so that I can be in a position to answer correctly.
Colonel, you're an experienced police officer. Answer the question, please. I've been so patient with you. Give me an answer to the question, please. It's so simple, we can see it for ourselves. You did not mention reporting this matter to Colonel Swartboy in your statement. Do you agree with me?
Ucacile cha mhlekazi lo mbuzo ulipolisa enamava kakhulu noko ukudala nje uthanda kakhulu ngicela mhlekazi uphendule umbuzo. Wena khange uthethe apho okanye ubhale apho ku-statement sakho into yokubana uye wayibika leyo phayana ngoColonel Swartboy. Ngaba kunjani?
Ukhetha nge-inquiry noPhela Swartboy ngenyenza yile ngisika i-clarity kuyo. And kubalulekile into yobana ndi-understand the question before ndiphendule. Into clear uyedingana ngakho
Your Worship, the defense is referring to an inquiry which I had with Colonel Swartboy.
Oh, so is it contained in A7? Do you mention Colonel Swartboy in A7? Yes or no?
Apha ke ngoku A7 ingaba ikhona into oyithethayo ngoColonel Swartboy ewe hayi.
ayikho bendifika kusiqiniseko.
There is nothing mentioned of Colonel Swartboy in the statement.
Thank you. Now, as I understand, sir, you were requested by what was then Captain Governor to do two things. You, of your own accord, went beyond what was asked of you and reported this matter to Colonel Swartboy. Do you agree with me?
Wena ke ngokuhlekazi waye wacela uCaptain Governor into yobana wenze izinto ezimbili. Wena ke ngoku nokwakho wadlulela uyoyibika le nto kuColonel Swartboy. Ingaba kunjani? Uyavumelana na?
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Why is it not in the statement, sir?
Kutheni ngekho apha ku-statement sakho?
There's the man who reported to you, is taking your oath in your statement. He's the investigating officer. Why is that important fact missing from your statement, sir?
You should be trying may at this stage. For the learned friend continues, I'm in possession of a statement marked A95, where it is specific.
No, Your Worship, we said you made one statement. You cannot do that, and you know you can't. I specifically asked him, Your Worship. That's out of line. I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Worship.
Please don't address each other directly. Do so due to people. I think it's either you cannot testify about what is there. You have a chance in the examination for whatever reason. But the witness said he had made no other statement save for A7. If it wasn't there, I don't know. For now, it was continuing.
Thank you, Worship. Please answer the question, sir.
What was the question?
question was why you had not mentioned reporting this matter of your own accord to Colonel Swartboy, who is an investigating officer, taking your oath on this very statement.
Umbuzo usithi ngomhlekazi into yobana kutheni wayibhala apha kwi-statement sakho into yobana wena waye wadlulela uyolibika nelobika kukhona lo Swartboy. Xesha yena ke uthuphi lona ethatha ke ngoku isifungo sakho kwi-statement.
Ndandilandela imiyalelo eyayibuzwa okanye yandiphendula kahle kahle into ezibuzwa ngumkheneli of which ndizikhabarishe kwi-statement zam
Your Worship, I was following instructions and answering to the request that was made by Captain Governor, which I think that those specific aspects are covered in my statement.
Now, I want to put to you, sir, that this statement was made by you on the 7th of August 2018. On your own version, your involvement at that stage was the receiving and dispatching of this video to inter alia, the man that was there taking your oath, and you never mentioned it in the statement. Have you any possible explanation for it that being missing from the statement, sir?
Nakamhlekazi uzomuthi into yobana wena kangumhlekazi esi statement sakho okanye isifungo sakho kwesi-statement wasenza ngomhla we-7 unyaka 2018. Umana wena kwakunye nodlulisela kwakho ke ngokuphili lena umntu lona wayethatha isifungo sakho. Umbuzo wami into yobana yona loo nto leyo into yobana wena ngokunokwakho waye wabe kanti uyadlulisela uyoyibika le nto kumhlekazi uSwartboy, kutheni ungayibhalanga apha?
Ukuyishiya kwam ingaliphutha kodwa ke ndandiyazi ukubana ndizazotestify part ngelimini ikwazi ukuthi ndiyichaze xa kusenziwa i-evidence nje njengoba lenzeka.
For me to leave it out, Your Worship, it was a mistake. However, I knew that I was going to be called to court to come and testify and give my evidence in chief, and that it was when that I thought that I'm going to relate to court.
Was this mistake ever pointed out to you by Colonel Swartboy?
Ingaba ke ngokukhona Swartboy lona le mistake wena uthetha ngayo ke waye wayiveza okanye wakubonisa?
You mean no?
Uthi hayi. No.
Weren't you called at some later stage and told, listen, we've got a problem, we can't prove where this video comes from. Why don't you do a statement explaining the chain or how it got to us? Did that not happen, sir?
Mamela mhlekazi wami, zange ubizwe ke ngokuthi kuthiwe kuwe mamela mani. Kaloku kufuneke ngokucacise into yobana le video lena isuka phi ihambe izigaba ezinga yade yazofikelela phi na. Zange bakubiza into yobana kufuneka uwenze esinye statement esicacisayo into yobana ihambe njani le video. No.
Absolutely certain, sir.
Qinisekile. No, I did not make this.
I'll prove to the court in due course your memory is fallible and very, very open to dispute. But now what I want to do, sir, is read paragraph 3 in this statement here. And I want you to watch the video. Well, before we watch the video, do you agree in paragraph 3 you don't identify any of the persons? Let's start this.
Mamela
It's an individual, is that correct?
masiye phaa paragraph 3. Uyalele into yobana phaa paragraph 3 akho mntu umchazayo uba ngubani, uthi umntu othile.
Ngenene kwi-statement kunjalo kodwa ndinesizathu esibangela uba ndenze kanjalo.
Indeed, Your Worship, it is like that in the statement. However, I have a reason to do so.
Please give us the reasons.
It is, sir.
I was waiting for the facial expert report ukuze sizokwazi ukuchaza amagama. Ngela xesha ndansenza i-statement ayingenziwa ngenxa yefumana report.
so that I could be able to give.
You said something in the past, I referred to the writing. You spoke in English, that's what I feel, but it's not going to pick it up properly. Sorry, misinterpreter. You're doing a phenomenal job, but he said some things that are up. I just wanted to correct for the record, Your Worship. I apologize. Sorry for cutting you.
At that time, Your Worship, I was waiting for the report from the facial expert so that after I had received it, I will be in a position to give the names. During this time, I had not have received the report in.
So you watched the video clip, and because you didn't have a report as to who was on the video, you referred to the people as individuals and another individual, as an individual and another individual. Is that correct?
Ngoku ke kuba ke wawungekayifumani laa ripoti waye wathi wena ke ukuthetha ngabantu umntu uthi umntu.
Yes, that's umntu because in that letter, then you have a official report from the experts.
Yes, Your Worship, I referred to an individual person because I was not in possession of the facial report from the expert.
Did you know who the people were at that stage?
Ngela xesha ke ngoku ingaba ubazi wena aba bantu bakuba
Ngenene bendibazi kodwa ukumention amagama ngela xesha yenza ndifake engxakini nona. Kwafuneka ndibe professional ndithi individuals up until the full report ichaza amagama asephumile i-official report.
Indeed, Your Worship, I knew who the people were. However, for me to give out names, it would have gotten me into trouble. So I had to be professional and wait for the report.
So in your endeavor to be professional, you were as fair and objective as possible in what you related to, is that correct?
Ngoko wena ngokuba professional bakho ubona ke into yobana ifair le uyenzile.
Ubahlonipha. Yes, I was fair with individuals.
Respectfully, Your Worship, so I was fair to refer them as individuals.
And you then used the fine words to illustrate what you've seen. It says here, depicting an individual firing shots from a firearm and later handing the alleged firearm back to another individual. Is that correct?
Kwaye waqhubekeka ke mhlekazi wasebenzisa amagama ke akhayo sithi ke mhlekazi apha into yobana kubonakala ke umntu edubula umpu ephinda ke ngoku emnikezela loo mpu komnye umntu. Ngaba kunjalo mhlekazi?
Njalo, Your Worship.
That's correct, Your Worship.
And you were very, very careful in the use of the words there to make sure that they are fair, objective, and the truth. Is that correct?
Kwaye ke ngoku uye wasebenzisa ke amagama usithi ke ungaqinisekisi into yobana ke ngoku bekufileyo ngaba kunjalo?
Njalo, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
So when you use the term there, handing back, what did you refer to, sir?
Ngoku ke ngoku xesha ke ngoku usebenzisa lela gama lithi ke ngoku umnikezela ubuyisela What was the question?
When you use the term,
The question of the question.
I heard that, but I want the question so that I can answer the question.
when you use the term handing back, what did you refer to, sir?
Ngexesha ke ngokusebenzisa igama lithi unikezela okanye ubuyisela uthetha uthini?
I'll use the exact words even so to help you. Handing the alleged firearm back.
Ubuyisela lo mpu thethwa ngawe.
Ukunikezela umuntu, in this case, umnika i-firearm, and then
In this case, it is to give a person a firearm, a person to quit and live.
I disagree with you, sir. There's no reason to make this a special case. I only hand something back if I received it from somebody. Do you agree with me, sir?
Ndiyephikisana ke nawe Mhlekazi kwetyala. Xa usithi ubuyisela into emntwini, ubuyisela into emntwini into leyo yena ebekunike yona wena. Phinde ke ube kanti uyambuyisela.
Uhleli ukundiphikisa ngoba indlela ayibona ngayo yena. Undibuza umbuzo naphendula ngendlela endimazi ngayo. Ayikho ke incazelo endizayiphendula ngayo ngaphandle.
It is good for you to disagree with me, however, I have stated it the way I saw. So you might see it in a different way.
I disagree with you, and I want to show you, sir. I want you to please watch the video and show me on this video where something is handed back. Please come out of the witness stand and even use my microphone to tell the operator to stop at any juncture that suits your step first.
Ndifuna Mhlekazi ume phakathi kwala microphone. Uyibukele ividiyo lena ke uxhathise ke lento uyitshoyo ngoba ngokuqonda kwami into yoba umuntu into uyayibuyisela into ebeyibekile. Uyawuske ke umchazele ke usithi ame kuloo ndawo uyibona kuyo naloo nto.
Because there was no sound, when I turned it on, it was playing.
Can you start at the beginning of the
Sorry for
Sorry, no, I saw that you went when there was no sound.
Yes, I wasn't listening to you.
Comply to normal sound. But your pardon is not much of a comply with the sound in normal sound from the beginning.
She's saying there's no sound. Do you require
For the record, the video was played. You didn't stop at the damage juncture. Please return to the. So do you agree that there's no handing over of the firearm in the video?
Ngoku ke uyalunga ke Mhlekazi into yobana akukho ukubuyiselwa kule video.
Andingqinelani noko.
I do not agree with that motion.
Why didn't you stop the video to show it to me?
Nditheni kaloku uzungayimisi ividiyo leyo usibonise.
Ngelishwa ngokubili izalayo bendikwaqasele uqinisekisa into yokubana le nto ethetha ngayo eneneni khona ideyo yinto engayibonayo ngoko ngelisana. That is not important. What is important umuza ukuza wona kuphela.
Unfortunately, Your Worship, I was watching at the video so closely, Your Worship, to see what the defense alleges is in the video, or what the defense was talking about is in the video. Unfortunately, I watched the video up until the end, and I did not see what he was talking about.
So you didn't see a handover of the firearm on the video, do you agree?
Ngoku ke wena uyavuma into yobana awukhange ubone ukunikezelwa okanye ukubuyiselwa phakathi video.
Andingenelani naye.
I don't agree with you.
Please, let's do it again. Show me on the video where there's a handover of the firearm. Please come back.
Phinda ke mhlekazi
Stand
ubuyele
with me
phaya
and show.
usibonise kulaa video apho kubuyiselwa khona umntu.
Do you want volume so that we can hear the witness?
Whatever the witness wants to do.
Do you want the volume, sir?
Ndicinga phambi ndibone ividiyo ngokwaneleyo and xa ndibuyisele etrongeni yaphina ndibuyise ndizawuphendula and funeka xa ndiphikisa ke wena andiphruve cause
Well, I want to return to the witness box, Your Worship, and I'm going to respond, Your Worship. And when I ask something, I would like also for you to respond.
No, sir. I don't know what this answer is of yours. You were asked to just come back, watch the video again, and if there's any stage that you want to stop to observe
show the
and
handover.
make a comment, we will stop the video and then you will return.
Mamela na mhlekazi uxelwa into yobana ubuyele phayana uzawuphinda ubukele ividiyo kwakhona. Kule ndawo wena uzawuthi ubone kuyo kunikezelwa kulona uthi makumiswe ividiyo lena ukhombe utsho into yobana nathi le ndawo apha kule vidiyo kunikezelwa kuyo.
You are challenged to show the handing back of the alleged firearm. Let's make it absolutely clear.
Ucelwa ke ngoku mhlekazi usibonise apho kubuyiselwa khona.
yenzeka phaa.
That is where it's happening.
Thank you, sir. Now continue. So, there's no handing over on the screen in the video that you showed. What's it? Is there any comments?
Mhlekazi, abasibili le video akho ubuyiselwa kwanto. Ingabikhona wena ufuna ukuyithetha loo nto?
Ikhona Your Worship.
There is, Your Worship.
Show me the firearm, sir. There we stopped it. You can't even see a firearm, sir.
Kule ndawo uyimise kuyo uthe mayime kuyo mhlekazi. Khandibonise wena umpha kule ndawo uyimise kuyo. Sibonile?
Before ebephethe umpu siwubonile sonke. Suku Mr. Snyman wasondela kule ndawo ke ngoku ndithi kwe-exchange of i-firearm ubuye qaphela emveni kwale ndawo within a second uvelile umnumzana uMalema engasawuphethanga.
Your Worship, as we all saw it, Your Worship, that he was carrying a firearm and Mr. Snyman came here to take the firearm. That is where they exchanged, as the witness used the term exchange, Your Worship, they exchanged the firearm. And if you look clearly, Your Worship, after a second, Your Worship, Mr. Malema was no longer carrying a firearm.
So you don't see the handover with your wisdom.
Mhlekazi, ingaba uyavumelana nami apha awuboni kunikezelwa okanye kuyiswa kwami. Uyavumelana nami?
Umelane naye.
I disagree.
You don't even see a firearm being exchanged from hand to hand. Do you agree with me?
Ngaba uyavumelana nami? Akho kwampu ubonayo usuka kwesinye isandla usiya kwesinye isandla. Ngaba uyavumelana?
Andivumelani naye.
I disagree.
Well, then you must be not telling the truth, sir, because we're all watching the video and we don't see it. There isn't a point that you can show me the firearm going from one hand to another hand. Do you have any comments?
Ukuthetha into yobana mhlekazi wena awuthethi nyani ngoba sonke siyikhupele le video. Akukho kwamntu obona umntu usuka kwesinye isandla usiya kwesinye isandla.
Your Worship, it's a matter of interpretation as to what happened there. I would just cannot just say that everybody now didn't see that. It's not right. It's a matter of interpretation by the witness.
Question related, do you see it depicted? That's easy to answer. If not, say so, and then it gives you the explanation. So,
My interpretation of the Worship. If I look at a picture of a person, you do not see a firearm or something that could be a firearm going from hand to hand on any footage in this video. Do you agree with me, sir? I'm giving you the chance to tell the truth.
Umamela mhlekazi. Njengoba wena ujongile phayana wena ngoba awuboni impu osuka okanye into engathi ngumpu osuka kwesinye isandla usiya kwesinye isandla wena njengoba ujongile phayana. Ndikunika ngokuthuba leli bawuthethe inyani.
Inyaniso yodwa. Let's look at what happened. Mr. Malema esandleni. Qala siphinde sijonge into eyenzekileyo ngeli xesha badibeneyo phaya, siphinde sijonge into eyenzekileyo after lena le ndibano yakho ayenzileyo. I-interpretation yam iyandixelela into yokubana enene nangenyaniso kulapho kwenzeka khona, kulapho kunikezela khona.
Your Worship, indeed what I am telling the court is the truth. Your Worship, firstly, let us look what happens with regards to Mr. Malema, what he has in his hand. Then thereafter, look at them when they are meeting up there, and they are meeting, and look after them meeting up there, what happens. Because you can see that indeed they are exchanging fire.
You don't, sir. The item could easily have been put down, put on a table, given to anybody else. We do not see it go from, as you call it, Mr. Malema to Mr. Snyman on any video that you've shown this court, sir.
Ndlela zawukwazi tu ngoba la isenokwenza ndibekwe naphezu kwetafile awuboni tu into ethi into yobana isuke umhlekazi uMalema iyotsho kumhlekazi uSnyman phaya la I understand the explanation that you, the interpreter, is giving me, but I want to know what is the question.
I put it to you, sir, that you do not see the firearm going from Mr. Malema to Mr. Snyman. You could very easily have put it down or given it to somebody else, or anybody, anything else could have happened to it on your videos.
Ndithi mna mhlekazi apha kuwo phayana kulaa video akho nto uyibonayo into yobana umhlekazi Malema enika into umhlekazi uSnyman. Isonokwenzeka naloo nto ebephetha ubeke phezu kwetafile kodwa kona phayana awuboni umhlekazi Malema enika into esandleni yoMr. Snyman ngokwalaa video. Nditsho mna kuwo. I disagree.
Well, in your official capacity as a witness and as a police officer, will you show other video footage of this event?
Wena ke ngomhlekazi ngokudunya lakho njengepolisa nanjengenina ke nombuso ingaba khona ezinye ivideo clips okanye ivideo footage othe waziboniswa ezingezinye?
Meaning no.
Futhi hayi. No.
Did you follow up any other media articles or relating to this incident?
Ingaba zikhona ke athi media uthi wazilandelelela malungana nesehlo.
Kunjalo nazibona.
It is correct, Your Worship, I saw them.
What did you do with them, sir?
Wenza ntoni ngazo? Like what, maybe?
You keep them, you have them. What did you do with those media articles?
When's Antonio Nazo? What's the now? Nazo, where's Antonio? Unfortunately, Your Worship, since I left Tanzania, I'm no longer in possession of such.
So you read them and discarded them, because I understand your answers.
Ubanga banipendula yakho ndima kahle. Undile mbekoko wakahle.
Masingathi ngazilahla. Masikabe sithi ngazifunda ngelishwa ngokalisenazo.
Let us not say that I discarded them.
What did you do with them if you want to discard them?
Let's say I read them, however, I do not have them.
That's it.
Pedala.
Can I have a driver?
Indeed, Your Worship, it is.
Yeah. I want to put you from the video footage. You cannot tell whether that is. Well, first, you cannot tell what type of a rifle that is. That's why you said it looks like a rifle. Is that correct?
Ngifuna ukuthi kuwe konke mhlekazi. Phakathi footage le. Awukwazi ukusho into yobana ngombe umhlobo we-rifle lowa ngoba uye wathi ibonakala bayitshoda kanti nje-rifle.
Kuhle into okokubana ndithi ngenene ibonakala njenge-rifle kodwa ke andizuba specific.
It is good to say, Your Worship, that it indeed looks like a rifle. However, I cannot say which model of rifle it is.
Similarly, sir, it could be a stage or a TV gun. Do you agree with me?
TV?
Gun. Stage or TV gun.
That's what we bana. Ni kumbu TV or kanye with stage.
Your Worship, yazithanda ezi statement zibekwayo kodwa ndikade i-question okwami kuphendula i-question. Sometimes ndiyayibona i-question ide ndiyicayise. So please.
Your Worship, I like the statements that the defense is giving me. However, what I am expecting are questions, and I would like the questions to be posed to me so that I can be in a position to answer them. And I would like questions that are posed to me, questions that I understand.
Whenever you don't want to answer the question, you ask for clarification or more details or complain about the way it's asked. It's a simple question. I'm going to repeat it, so please try and answer it this time. I put it to you that it could similarly have been a stage or TV gun. Do you have any comment?
When I get a call, goes about my phone pendula, we are to phone cartel, or to move out of the phone, Sissy Country, Chongo, who will go up in and pin it upon a Bacano, the Liona, the Cattle, who then said in the man and Ampulon, whom will stage your candidate. That is how you see it. However, I see that it appears to look like fire.
Let's look at appearances and reality, sir. I'm going to hand to you a statement. A94 in the docket, as previously alluded to by the prosecutor, but not specifically. So let's have a look if you recognize this document, sir.
Ngizakunika ke ngokuhleka statement SO-A95 by Dr. Lama Police.
Worship, may I replace the original for the copy of A7? I'll take it from my left and I'll give him a copy. Thank you. And now we're going on to A94, sir. Yes, yes. see this document, right? This is my hand to you. You recognize this document, sir?
Ngaba mhlekazi ke ku-document lena uyayazi?
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
Very sorry, Commission.
Do you recognize your signature on the document?
Ngaba i-signature leya mhlekazi uyibona kule document?
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
Yes, Your Worship.
This is a statement that you made, sir.
The statement is senziwa nguwe mhlekazi.
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
That's correct, Your Worship.
Under oath, sir, is that correct?
Phansi kwesifungo mhlekazi ngaba kunjani?
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
That's correct, Your Worship.
And you did so, sir, on I think the 19th to be the 17th, is difficult to read the handwriting of March 2019 at 11:35. In other words, more recently than your previous A7s, your direct mission.
Ngoko ke mhlekazi i-statement esiwasenza phakathi komhla we-19 okanye 17 andiboni kakuhle phayana kodwa ke zikaMatshi kunyaka ka-2019 ngamaxesha e-11:35 okuthetha into yobana ngoku noko esisitshana kunesawo senzile ngaphambili ngaba kunjalo phela.
Kunjalo, Your Worship.
It's correct, Your Worship.
So now we know that you weren't telling the truth when you said you only made one statement in relation to this matter and you're so certain to agree with me.
Ngoku ke mhlekazi siyayazi into yoba ungathethi inyani ngexesha usithi wena ngoyenza i-statement esi-2 wenza i-statement esi-3 ingabe uyavumelana na?
Bendiphendula based on esa statement levido in question.
Your Worship, I was responding to question based on that statement with regards to the video in question.
Now you're telling another untruth, sir. The question is absolutely clear and asked several times. Are you absolutely certain you've only made one statement in relation to this matter? I did not refer to the video and the record will reflect that, sir. Do you have any comments? Do you want to justify your conduct in any possible way, sir?
Ngoku mhlekazi ngoku uyaphinda uyaphosisa kwakhona ngoba kaloku umbuzo ubucacile into yobana ingaba sikhona esinye i-statement owasenzayo esinye nangaphandleni kwesi busiboniswa kuqala na. Ngoku ke ingaba mhlekazi ikhona ofuna ukuyithetha ngoku ezawukwazi ukuthethelela ngaphendula ukuyinikezela kuqala usithi asikho esinye i-statement osenzile.
My understanding of the question, yeah, ngibuza ngevidio. This statement are stating. So that's how
My understanding, Your Worship, was that that statement he was asking me with regards to the video, and this statement says nothing about the video.
Your understanding is false, sir. The record will reflect it. I'm giving you an opportunity to correct yourself and possibly even apologize. But if you remain with the lie, you stay with it. Do you wish to apologize and move forward, or do you stand with the lie, sir?
My understanding yabo ke mhlekazi ayiyonyani ngoba kaloku umuzo wami umucace gqala kwaye ndathi ndikunika amatyelo amaninzi into yobana ngoku lithuba lento yobana ube kanti wena uthetha inyani okanye uxolise noxolisa benkundleni nangoku uba ngabana uyazenza into yobana kufanele uba uxolisile okanye uyafuna uxolisa benkundleni ungaxolisa siqhubeke.
eneneni okundiphetha inyaniso into yokubana ngampendulo bendicinga ngama ibuza ngevidiyo statement sevidiyo ayikho ke into engenye nayo okanye reason endinayo beside that.
Well, Your Worship, to be honest, Your Worship, yes. I thought that the questions that are being asked was with regards to the video statement, Your Worship. There is nothing else, Your Worship.
So you're standing with the lie, you're not apologizing, is that correct?
Ilonke ke ngumile ke lokho apha ke ngoku nobuxoki awuxolisi abakunjani.
Kodwa inyaniso ithetha imsulwa njengoba bendikile.
Well, to me, Your Worship, it is not a lie. It is the truth, Your Worship. And I have taken the oath.
Let's test your understanding of the truth, sir. Please look at the statement that you've identified as your own A94 paragraph 3. I'm going to read it aloud for the court. For your comments, sir. Paragraph 3 says, I was requested by the investigating officer, Colonel R.S. Swartboy, to compile a report from different media houses that covered the alleged incident where shots were fired, allegedly, during the 5th EFF celebrations held at the Sisa Dukashi Stadium in Dunsany, East London, Eastern Cape, on 2018-07-28. I made copies of the different media reports that covered the mentioned incident and compiled the report as requested on 2018-08-31. You see that, sir?
Where are the figures here? Joke upper paragraph 3. Una no Bavania, Obuyan Ba. Would go paragraph 3, the one I was telling you, Colonel Swat, or in the one I went out to one saying, a super, women the house as a Fuganeo, as Tezo, Nazabe can be the bacon, Corella, Indoyete, Yenzeka, Payana, to the corner, Mustiwake, would laugh with the Islam, Yomoto, EFF, Biosera, Esisa to catch with stadiums as in Tanzania, Upper Emonde, Eastern Cape from South, not 28, and Yanga 7, and 2018. Uyewe na wabekandi wenzake ukuphi zaso zonke eziport zisuka kwezi media wabele ukukhabarisha ezithe zakhabarisha yonke lento ukuthi ithe yenzeka wadibanisa wena ireport njengoba uceliwe ngomhla we-31st senyanga ye-8 nyaka ka-2018.
Njalo ngokwesegment.
That is so, Your Worship, according to the statement.
Do you agree, sir, that underneath that you stated that you now understand the contents of this declaration, you have no objection to taking the prescribed oath, you considered the oath to be binding on your conscience before you signed this on the 17th or the 19th of March 2019. Do you agree with me, sir?
Uyayibona ke mhlekazi ezantsi kokho uye wanina into yobana yakwazi ukuthi kwaqulathwa kule nto ibhaliweyo kwaye wena ke awuchasenanga nokuthatha isifungo kwaye wena uyazi uthatha isifungo ukubophelela isazela sakho ukubika ezantsi. That is correct, Your Worship.
So earlier when you said that you played no other role besides the receipt and transmission of the video, you are not telling the truth. Do you agree with me, sir?
Ngoku ke mhlekazi uyavumelana nam sithi wena uphosisa le xesha usithi ayikho enye indima oye wayidlala ngaphandleni kokufumana video footage.
La question even ibuza into yokuba ikhona enye indima endidlala kwi-video footage enye as the answer may be for any. Then it is totally different from what was asked.
Your Worship, the question that I was asked was whether is there any role that I played in another or a different video footage?
Sir, it's getting worse and worse. Really it is. Or do you honestly want this court to believe that I asked you whether you played any role in other video footage and not that as I put to you, and I would have objected, that in fact I asked you whether you played any other role in relation to this investigation. Do you honestly expect that of this court, sir?
Iba wesina mhlekazi ngoba kaloku ufuna inkundla ikholelwe into yobana mna ndiyenda kubuza lo mbuzo wena utshoyo into yobana ngaba ikhona indima oyidlalileyo kwezinye iividiyo footage ezikuba kaloku umbuzo mna endiyenda kubuza into yobana ingaba ikhona enye indima engenye othe wayidlala kuphando lweli tyala. Just correct one thing.
So answer the question.
Ikhona into engendlala kule video ngaphandle kwalena uthule ngayo. The video in question, not with.
I did not say in the other videos, Your Worship. I said that I was asked whether is there any other role which I played in this video that's in question.
Is that what you want the court to believe, sir?
That is how I heard the question and answered it.
I'll further ask you, sir, once you had read the media articles, what did you do with them? You said you left them behind, remember?
Ndiye ndaqhubekeka ndakubuza lehlekazi into yobana eza articles zemedia uye wenza ntoni na ngazo even xa usifundile futhi wena waye wazishiya kunjani
eneneni khona kuba ke ngiyasesebenza emntathane so ndimgile khona andiyabana nazo nyalela nje.
Indeed, Your Worship, since I no longer work with Tanzania, therefore I left it there. I did not leave.
You never mentioned compiling an album, did you, sir?
Khange ngokuyiveze into yokudibanisa le-album ndlekazi ngakusha.
Question ebendiyibuzwa khange ngibuzwe nge-album, that's why ndibone kungabalulekanga into yobana ndiphendule i-album, and for that matter ayo-album lendibalishelisa ngokureport.
Your Worship, I was not asked any question with regards to an album. I was not asked about anything about an album. Therefore, I saw no reason for me to mention an album. And to correct something in my statement, there's nothing that talks about an album. It is regards to a report.
Let me rephrase it. So you never mentioned compiling a report, do you?
Mandi, phinde ngikuchaza itsho kahle. Hambe uthethe ngento yodibanisa i-report. Aba kunjani?
Kunjalo uba ndiphendule ndiyibuzwayo nje ndicinga phambi uba kubalulekile orecord uphendula nje ndiyibuzayo ndiphendule yona.
That is correct, Your Worship, as I answer only to what I'm being asked, which I think is important in court, only to answer to what you've been asked.
So you're not prepared to say you made a mistake earlier, you're sorry, you're sticking with your earlier answer, is that correct?
Ngoku kwenaka awulungelanga ukuthi into yobana hayi iphazamile ngoku kuyaxolisa ngoku umila kweziphendula zakho.
Iimpendulo zam zimile ngoba eneneni zinezizathu.
My answers stand because indeed they've got reasons.
Obviously, we just can't work them out. But I want to put you, sir.
Your Worship, is it really necessary for these snide comments to the witness? I object to that type of comments directly to the witness.
Not a snide comment, it's not for my learned friend to come to his defense at this stage. Let me put it as a question, sir. I'll rephrase, and I'll even apologize if necessary. I have no difficulty doing so. You stand with your answers regardless, is that correct?
Amela yofuna nobuzo behloko. Umile wena kwezampendulo zakho. Ngaba kunjani?
Iimpendulo zam zimile ngoba ndinezizathu ezisendicacisile nabuzwa nasicacisile.
My answers stand, Bishop,
Thank you.
because I've got reasons which I had already explained.
What I want to put you, sir, is that we don't even have a copy of this report. What happened to it?
Ngoba ke mhlaka into eziqonda kakuwe leyo kunje bade ngokubona ikopi yale report kwenzeka ntoni ngayo yaphelelanga.
Ndayinikezela kukhanyisa khona.
I gave it to Colonel Swadla.
That was the last time you saw it.
Aqhubela ngoku uyibona. That's correct.
Do you remember giving it to Colonel Swartland?
Ngaba uyakhumbula umnika Colonel Swadla?
Ndiyakhumbula kodwa ke umhla ndicela ukuthi hayi ngoba ngoku alizuba specific ukuthi yanika ukuthi one of my friends.
I remember giving it to him, Your Worship. However, I cannot recall the specific date to say which date it was.
I want to refer you to a third statement made by you, sir. It's A95 in the book.
Izale ngokumhlekazi ku-statement sesithathu esenziwa nguwe. Eyi-95.
You remember making this?
Ngaba ke mhlekazi uyakhumbula usenza esi statement?
Your worship, may I hand the original of A94, your worship? And the statute, your worship. Here's a copy of A94. Thank you. Do you recognize your signature on this document, sir?
No, Your Worship.
That is correct, Your Worship.
Do you confirm that you made this statement freely, voluntarily, in your sign the service answer?
Ngiyangqina kampela statement eziyosenza ngokuba kwakho ukhululekile ungekho phansi kwambele lezo zokubalisa imizimba.
Njalo, Your Worship.
That's correct, Your Worship.
And you'll see, sir, it's very soon after the previous one. It's difficult to make up the handwriting. It could be the 17th of March 2019 at 10:36 is the period, sir.
Kwaye kampela zesifana nge-esisenziwe nje emveni kwesinye esibusana siboniswa sona. Kunzima ukuthi ukubona idate le yenzeka kwasi-17 zikaMatshi ke 2019 amaxesha ayi-10:36.
And if you put this one, sir, next to your A7, you'll see that for the most part it's an exercise in stick and paste. If you look at paragraphs, the introduction, paragraphs 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are identical. The whole first page, you agree with me. I'll hand you A7 if you want to do the contribution. There's a request from our friend for a body break. I can't stop and I don't have a problem if it suits your worship.
I'm so sorry, Your Worship. I would take a 2-minute adjournment. There's something I need to attend to immediately. I forgot about it. My witness is going to Durban as well, so I needed to sort it out. I forgot about it.
No problem. I will just also, if you are moving to a crucial part of your cross-examination, we are left with under 15 minutes before we have to switch off due to load shedding.
So can we then adjourn in 5 minutes? We can just do this issue will be done in 5 minutes.
That's another witness I'm referring to, Your Worship. So witness outside.
Are you able to?
5 minutes is fine, Your Worship.
No question. Before we do have to come back to
Thank you.
the
So you agree that page 1 of A7 and A95 are identical?
Ingaba lo mhlekazi awujonge eliphepha lokuqala nika-A7 no-A95 uyanqina mhlekazi into yobana la maphepha afana twatsi.
Njalo, Your Worship.
That's correct, Your Worship.
Thank you. Now if you turn the page so you see that the paragraph has been added here. It's paragraph 5, which reads as follows. The video clipping I received from Captain Marley Governor on 2018-0801 of the individual firing shots from a firearm and later handing the alleged firearm back to another individual during the 5th EFF celebrations held at Sisasa Dikasi Stadium in Dantani, East London, Eastern Cape on 2018-07-28. I forwarded to Colonel Order Swartwood, the investigating officer in this matter, from my official handset to his official handset for further handling. Can you confirm that, sir?
Uyanqina ke mhlekazi into yobana ngoku kwephepha kukho iparagraph yesihlanu apho yona le paragraph yesihlanu isisho into yobana ivideo clip leyo wayifumana kuCaptain Marley Governor ngomhla we-1 zenyanga ye-8 2018 yomntu owayedubula ngompu waphinda wabe kanti uyawunikezela umpu lona ayunikezela komnye umuntu ongomele xesha kusenziwa ibhiyozo wombutho we-EFF weminyaka emihlanu owabanjwe eSusa Dukashe Stadium Tanzania apha eMonti apha e-Eastern Cape ngomhla we-28 zenyanga ye-7 2019 waye wena wayithumelela uColonel Swartboy umcuphi okanye umphandi wekudala umthumelela isuka kwifowuni yakho ke ngoku usebenzisa kweyakhe ifowuni into yobana yena aqhubekeke nayo. Uyangena ke mhlekazi.
Kunjani? Yasho.
Straight to it.
So earlier today when I asked you whether you had been made, whether you had been requested to make a statement for this very purpose, and you said that you hadn't, you were not telling the truth. Do you agree, sir?
Ngoku yabekubuza ke mhlekazi ngaphambili into yobana wena ingaba ke ukhona umuntu ongeke uyowanibuzela kuyo into yobana qhubekele nayo wena ubungathethi inyani ngexesha lokusithi hayi.
Ngaphambi ngiyothule i-evidence ngishekile phakathi nayo yokuthumela kwami statement yokuthumela kwami i-video to
I think I had mentioned that in my evidence in chief, you should, the part where I said that I forwarded the video to Colonel Swati.
So you're trying to not deal with the question? Are you trying to manipulate the question, or are you trying to mislead the court?
Ngathi ke mhlekazi uzama ke ukuyikhosisela inkundla kungenjalo uzama into yobana ubuzo lona ungajongani nawo.
isho impendulo endizinikayo zisuka nginezizathu nendlela endibona ngayo. Angabona ngenye indlela.
Unfortunately, the answers that I'm giving you are answers coming from me, from the way I see it. It might happen that the defense sees it in a different way.
I'm not the only one that sees in a different way, so everybody gets this. That I can assure you. I asked you earlier whether you had made a statement for this very purpose. You said you had not. This lends the lie to that answer. Do you understand this?
And ukuzile into yobana ingaba wasenza na i-statement malungana noku na wathi wena hayi ngoba ke ngobonisa ukuthi uphile ngokulona.
Kodwa ke ngiyothule kwe-evidence in-chief and indlela ebendibona ngayo mina umbuzo bengiwubuza.
But Your Worship, indeed I did mention that in my evidence in chief when I made my evidence in court, and that is how I saw fit for the question that was asked.
No, you did not. And I'll even tell you that it was on this point that Mr. Caesar got up to say there's another statement, and this was his purpose. He referred to A95. Everybody understood what I was asking you, that you were giving a false answer. Do you have any comments?
Hayi mhlekazi awukhani ungexesha kanye umhlekazi usiza ke ngoku uma ke ngoku yena ethetha ngesi i-statement esithi wena uyibikile phezulu i-statement ngoba kaloku wonke umuntu wena olapha uvile lo mbuzo bendibuzo wava nampendulo yakho kambuzo.
Kuzawukuhleke yokubana ndiyicacisele ubana yokubana ngexesha ndibuza kambuzo ibiyimpendulo endinayo leya kuba bendimentionile evidence in-chief. Ndingeva makandibekile kwi-evidence in-chief noko andiphosise enkundleni kuba ndibekile kuba bengakangiyibeka izawudimika.
Well, Your Worship, it will be well enough, good enough for me to say that I saw fit to answer the question that was asked for me, and that is how I saw that it was correct, because I even think that I did mention that in evidence in chief as I was in my evidence.
Yes, sir. I just needed to do that point. It's just been an opportune time to remind the matter, and I'm not finished with the witness. I would ask before we do so, just as I have the list, I would ask that these be accepted by Your Worship as exhibits D1, 2, and 3 in the order of A7, A94, and A95. It would be D1, 2, and 3. Thank
Any objection by the statement?
No objections, Your Worship. No objections.
Matthews, any objections on this one?
None, Your Worship.
What will be vehicles, A7 marked as D1, A94 marked as D2, A95 marked as D3.
you. Your Worship, I'm just asking for the reason of A95. Thank you, Your Worship. Sorry. Thank you.
Or because following the stage.
Yes, please.
Yeah. The witness can now remain stand down, but the dates will also apply to you on the university of classification.
Ngiyohlala ngihlakazwa nawe ke izakukhaphazela ngoba kufuneka ubuyile uzobuza imibuzo bakhona phakathi.
Accused 1 and 2, the matter postponed for continuation of evidence to the 11th of September. It will continue for the week up to and including 12, 13, and 14 September. The dates agreed upon so that you are aware timelessly is 20 to 22 September, warned for Regional Court 1, 8:30 for the evidence. The witness who is currently under oath, you are also warned for 11 September.
Ithi ke inkundla lemhlakazini yobana wena ke yakulungisile bana ngomhla we-11 zikaSeptember apha sethu uphinde ube lapha phambi kwale nkundla sibuye namhlanje kuba usahlolwa imibuzo usephansi kwesifundo.
Please, you should let's have round.
Yeah.